beautiful. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonamvaghani and I hope you and your family are doing well. This is June 2020 and the whole COVID situation doesn't seem to be going away anytime soon. This has been the new normal for the last few months and I think this is going to stay around. This is going to stick around for the next few months, if not weeks. So I thought, why not do a makeup tutorial where I can basically talk about certain tips and tricks as to how you can wear your makeup without it getting transferred to your mask. Now I know everybody doesn't wear makeup, nobody is going to wear makeup when they are going to stay at home, but there are some people, the hospitality industry, the aviation industry, everybody has to go out eventually and start working. And this is going to be soon because everybody needs to go out and make a living. If you're stepping out of the house, obviously you probably will not wear so much makeup if you're going out grocery shopping or getting out to do some chores. So I am going to be showing you a couple of looks in this video. One is going to be where you're stepping out. You're somebody who wants to wear makeup, does wear makeup every time you step out like me. Something that you can wear without having to slap on your foundation or your concealer. Something that can basically make you look presentable at the same time. You do not have to spend a long amount of time that can be done within 5 minutes, and something that you can wear when you have to go out for your work meetings and formal gatherings and at work. Like, you cannot get away without wearing makeup. So this is the tutorial for you guys because I know it is important to wear your masks at the same time, have your makeup on without having to touch it up. In this video I will be telling you how you can go about achieving that makeup look where it does not transfer onto your mask, what products to go for, what products to choose, that the longevity of your makeup is longer. So this is something that interests you, then keep watching. Now after you're done with the skin prep, which is basically moisturizing your skin and using a sunscreen if you're heading out during the day, I would suggest use a good lip balm. Now it is going to be extremely simple. I am not going to be wearing a base because, let's be honest, we're going out grocery shopping. You don't want a full face of makeup. So I will be starting off with my brows. I am using a tinted brow gel. This is by MAC in the shade Old Brunette. Completely avoiding a black kajal. What you can do is instead use a skin colored kajal that it accentuates your eyes at the same time. You don't have to worry about the whole smudge problem. Because we want to accentuate the eyes, because this is the only thing that will be visible, we will use a mascara. Now for the mascara, it is very important that you use a waterproof mascara because it so happened with me, first time that I stepped out wearing a mask and I had my mascara on and something went inside my eye and I couldn't even rub my eye because obviously we can't, and the whole mascara kind of smudged onto my mask and my mask was like black from here. So we want to avoid that and we will be using a waterproof mascara. That you stay clear of any cream products because cream products will get transferred onto your mask more easily. You can work around with other products. If you don't want to wear blush, you're kind of done. Doing the eyes only this much is absolutely fine. If you want to do slightly more, then maybe you can use a blush. I'm using like a normal peachy pink blush. A normal lip balm, but if you still want to wear something, maybe you can wear a skin colored liquid lipstick because it goes on and it stays on and it doesn't transfer onto your mask like other lipsticks would. I'm using like a darker brown shade, something which is very close to my natural lip color. And I'm done. So this literally took me not even 5 minutes to finish the whole thing. So people, this is as easy as it gets for the first look. It did not even take me 5 minutes to finish this whole thing. Alright, now moving on to the second look, I'm going to do my makeup. I've just left my eyes as it is and I removed my blush and my lips and re-moisturized everything. I will first powder my face. I am going to be setting my moisturizer with some loose powder. Next, now I'm going to fix this with some setting spray. So I am using the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. Now for this look, I will be using the Dior Backstage Foundation and Primer, mostly because it dries matte and it is long lasting and almost full coverage. Option Cat 1D. You basically want to have mattifying foundations, not something which is very sheer, something which is full coverage. So concealer, I'm using the Urban Decay Medium Dark Warm Concealer. You want to pick products, choose products that have longer longevity. Powder my face, so I'm using a compact instead of loose powder again. I'm using the MAC Select Sheer NC30 Press Powder. Before we move on and put some more powders on the face, we will put some more setting spray and set it and bring some more moisture to the face because we are using mattifying products. The Tartelette In Bloom palette, taking Firecracker. I'm going ahead with the shade Rebel. This one is by Colorbar in the shade Just Brown and going on the lash line, not on the waterline. Taking the same mascara and reiterating the whole eyelash bit. Brow bit again, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Dark Brown. And I'm doing this because the eyes and the brows are the only things that will show prominently, so you really want to kind of make sure that your eyes look really nice and pretty. And I'm using the Guerlain Terracotta Bronzer in the shade 05. highlighter in the shade 01 Nude Air. Blush, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Cheek to Chic in the shade Ecstasy. You definitely want to use a lip liner. Line your lips, fill in your lips so that even if the lipstick comes off, you have some color on your lips. And for lipstick, definitely use a liquid lipstick instead of a normal formula, because creamy formulas, they definitely transfer much easier. I'm using the lip liner by MAC in the shade Mahogany. Using two Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipsticks in the shade Dolce and Catherine. So it is all done, and I'll just give you guys an idea that the makeup doesn't transfer. You can see my hands absolutely clean, and this was like really hard. Now I will take a tissue paper, this side again. Yeah, makeup will last long. The makeup will not transfer onto your mask. Your face starts feeling slightly more dry. What you can do is you can take the spray again, the setting spray, and keep spraying on your face. You're good to go. So everyone, this is the finished look. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and hopefully you took something away from this tutorial as to what products to choose, how to go about doing your makeup so that it lasts longer and doesn't transfer onto your mask as easily. And if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more, and share it with your friends and family if you found this video helpful. Also, just in case if you do try out this method and it works for you, please leave it in the comment section down below. And you could also get in touch with me on my social media. I will post the links of all the social media that I'm on down below in the description box. You can check it out and follow me there. And stay safe during the COVID times. And irrespective of whether you wear your makeup or you do not wear your makeup, make sure that you wear your mask in a proper way. I'll see you guys very soon with another video. Take care. Bye-bye.